Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews. And if you're looking for a fun and easy drone, RC drone to fly in a house, you have to check this one out from FunPX. This is going to be an LED, easy to use drone. It's going to give you everything you need. You're going to get the remote, the drone itself. You're going to get 3 rechargeable batteries. So these are the batteries, and there's USB-C here. You're going to get you're going to get the charging cable, you're going to get extra blades, the tools, everything to get this thing up and running as soon as you get it charged and out of the box. Now, you do need to put some batteries inside the remote here, and what I like about this one is that it doesn't need a screwdriver to open up the door. It just slides open, and it's 3, and those come with it too. You get 3 AAA batteries to put in the remote. And it's as simple as turning on the remote, and then once you have the battery installed, and this just snaps in, there's like a little push lever that you squeeze it, and you can snap it right back in, which is really nice and secure. And then we can hold this power button and it lights up. And what's really cool is that this thing has a bunch of different light modes. So if I look at the remote here, I can control the lights, and look at that. Look how cool that is. And again, this drone is about the size of my hand. The blades are fully enclosed. So if you hit a wall, or if the little ones are steering this, it's going to not, if it crashes, so be it. It's going to be able to handle those impacts. And then you do have a 1-button push start, which is going to allow you to take off with this button right here. All right, let's go ahead and show you now. It does have a takeoff and landing button. So if I click this, it's got a pretty decent hover mode. So there you have it. A pretty easy drone. You can fly it in the house, fly it at the park, fly it all around the neighborhood. Let the kids experience a drone flying for the first time. You have different light modes. And again, you can control those light modes even when it's flying. So again, highly recommend picking up this LED drone that you can fly in the house. And again, shout out to the company for gifting me this. I can do a review.